Hi, my name is Glenn Miller. The reason why I came into Spinal Balance was I had worked for FedEx for 20 years and I'd had my hips replaced. And everything felt fine, but I just wasn't sure. And so I wanted an opinion. Yes, and not only did my hips start to bother me, but also my right knee started to give me problems. And I went and had a cortisone shot, and they said that I wasn't ready for knee replacement yet, but close. My results have been nothing less than shocking. My one leg initially was found to be about a half inch longer than the other. I wasn't walking straight. My sleep now, for some reason, is better. It's just something that I would recommend to everybody to find out if their back and their spine is in balance.